Let's give the tank a push and the whole car moves. No bueno. Woo! Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. Right, let's drop the tank, have a cup of tea and eat the club. If you've just stumbled upon this channel and you're thinking about skipping, hold on a minute. I bought the cheapest Vauxhall Viva HC in the UK. We're going to work on dropping the fuel tank, getting that off and getting the tank flushed, because my brakes are being sent away to be identified for the cylinder rebuild kits or the rep replacement. I'm dealing with an absolutely brilliant company. I'll let you all know about it in the next video, but thank you everyone who suggested a couple of companies I'd never even heard of before. I've been in touch with them, I'm using them all. Thank you very much. Let's get this guard plate off so we can get the breather pipe hose off and get the screws out the tank. Easier said than done. These screws look a little needy like. Right, I had to take off the clamps to the breather pipe because there was an awkward screw to get into there. And that's all the screws out of the tank now. Let's jack her up and get underneath her. Right, car jacked up and safety specs on. Boom. If you've ever had rust in your eye before, well, you know, it's not nice, is it? Let's take off the feed for the pump, which shouldn't be hard because the clamps disintegrated, and we'll take off the hose for the filler neck, get the internal bore measured up, and I'll order up a new piece of pipe and some clamps. We'll try and get these off with a bit of fluid and a screwdriver. If they don't come off though, there's no worry, we'll just cut them off. It's not like we're trying to save them. Shout out by the way to Mark Tate, who I met at a car show. He was there in a lovely Vauxhall Royal. And he's also restoring a Viva HC X14 edition, I believe he said. Whoa. Whew. There's the clamps off the hose and the hose pulled back. One clamp came off no bother, just snapped. The other one was no bueno. It's a bit awkward filming under a car like with a phone, but let's see if this will come off easy. Oh, just lay on the clamp. Let's give the tank a push and the whole car moves. Oh, there we go. There we go. Sorry, I need a GoPro, someone doing that strapped to my head. There's that pipe. That was definitely on its last legs. Here's the tank off. Let's get the float out of it. We'll check out the condition of the tank again, see if we need to do like a flush on it, or we can just get away with like rinsing it with a bit of good fuel or something. Let's take a look-see. That's not bad at all in there. There's a little bit of gunk here and there, so I think I will buy a little bit of a flush. Give it a flush out, and then I'll rinse it out with some petrol afterwards before it goes back on the car. What is that? It doesn't look like rust, does it? It looks like some sort of gunk. I think I will buy a flush here. If you're vegan, look away now, because the missus has just brought me a bacon sandwich. Oh, and a cup of tea. Petrol fumes, bacon sandwich, cup of tea. Is there anything better? Is there anything better? Oh, there's a neg in it. I didn't even realise there was a neg in it. Oh, yeah. Shout out to Chris Singer in Australia, who's restoring a Viva HB, or a Holden Toronto as they're called over there. Is that right? Sent us a video of it running for the first time in 27 years. Sounds lovely, Chris. Is that the fuel filter in there then? So no crap can get up the lining anyway. Oh well, big bits of crap in anyway. Right, let's get the rear flexi off the car. Dad. Me finger. Woo! Get out and walk. Managed to jam the impact drive up behind it there, and I got the bolt out to get that flexi off. Thought I'd give it a go before I tried cutting it off. Before I got the grinder out, I thought I'd chuck the impact driver in there, jam it up in there. I took the bolt off a treat, and Bob's your granny's auntie. Still need to rebuild that bloody caliper. Don't forget to put a thumb up it if you like the video. That's where I whacked my finger, a bit of a gash in it there, and it's a bit twisted. Don't worry, I can't feel it from the knuckle down though. There's the blunt one chrome on the other one to match. I am going to try and start to do longer videos for you, but I'm at a part of me shift rota where I don't get much free time off at all really. Would you like longer videos? Please comment below or ask us anything you want. If you don't want to comment below, email is in the description, or the about bit when you go on the menu. Right, so that's the brake flexi off to be identified by the brake dude. The tank off. I'm going to buy a flush. Woo, the petrol fumes in here. I'm going to have to open that garage door back up. You guys see the size of that chicken? I'm going to watch No Man's Land tonight, like. What's everyone's favourite car-related movie? Christine's got to be in my top 10 as well, like. Right, so we need to buy prop bolts. Someone comment below and remind us. We need to get the tank flushing back on, replace the fuel lines, waiting on the brake coming back, and we'll get them back on. Hopefully in the next video we'll be putting something back on the car. Thank you all very much for watching. Have a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.
Behind your frozen eyes, skies ahead and laughter make me feel just one more thing than and even though that I despise the thing you're after,